Oh guys, make your way out then please! No good hovering around in the safe zone! Get it in here!
Make sure that your blasters are on before you go outside properly, please.
One time.
That's all it takes. So my fire rate is not as high now. Right? Because they're lower voltage battery. Which is a shame, but I'm using quite control first anyway. And apart from that last round where I went fucking apeshit. Yeah, I was like, just about 200 bullets, downrange. Still didn't hit anyone.
I think I'm just going to sling this on the shoulder and just run towards the cowboy.
Get my knife!
So we all...
I'm getting my knife for the third time!
I'm so happy it was a knife kill, not being shot in the back of the head or something. Because he was like that far away.
Who's going to be next? Oh, there.
Yeah, I know, I said that.
Why?
So do we not have him gobby? They want him to be slow.
Yeah, they want him to be a little bit slower because we just overran them the whole time. That's alright.
Wow.
Helicopter.
So down there's Cowboy. Down. Over there's the swamp.
Yeah, far side of the swamp. Then
I've
there's
never actually been down there.
in Africa.
I have to really be careful like, when I have gloves on and fire this because my glove almost
Like feel though.
my glove like almost shoots it from me. That's on man.
You know where you're going? No. Why don't you know where you're going now? Because you haven't been listening, that's the one.
He lost his word.
One of the first games. I thought he was flanking around though. British now.
You can make an area
Straight fit to the floor. Yeah, but it's really hard to keep it like up like that all the time. What? Oh, you're some sort of G. I'll be the cameraman. Is this a good shot? Do a pose.
Yeah, we're like over that one.
Amir, do a pose.
What?
You're on camera.
Oh.
You gotta look like a badass with a pistol.
Village, aren't we? Is that where we're going?
It's not fucking clue.
When you famous, am I going to be on YouTube?
I don't know about YouTube. Well, it's his camera.
Am I going to be famous? Maybe.
I don't know about famous, but you may be on YouTube. There's an awful lot of you dying on this camp. That last run when you died every 5 seconds. You dive, respawn, dive, respawn.
They just shot at me every time I had a medic. So I just walked off and I waited for a minute and then respawned. And then got killed by them.
One more win.
Saying that one on camera. I think we've won most of them, haven't we? All of them?
We won all of them except for one draw.
The rugby one.
Even then, statistically, we won.
Yeah.
We had it.
It's because my gun broke.
That would have been the winner.
Maybe the decider.
We just needed a bit of bolt to get us through it. Huh?
Yeah, they're like in the middle of the cowboy.
So wait, where's the bank?
Bank is where we're all defending from.
Oh, down,
See
right
there?
down the bottom of the hill.
The yellow building.
Yeah, because I've not actually been down there yet.
Well, do you hear a guy shouting medic every 5 seconds?
Yeah, Kento.
Yeah, that was
No, I shouted
well, I wasn't
that was
shouting,
it.
I was shooting him. I was in the far corner, he was shouting medic, so he hit 5, I went, right, 1 elephant. What are you doing, mate? Why are you shouting?
Some people here not too bright, are they?
Well, it's like you run right down there, you fly into it, and you get what you got to get. Don't shoot the caravans.
Do you want to stick to the left, but not down the bottom of the hill?
We're facing this way now, so say your reference is left and right.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Okay.
Going down that way. Should we stick on the ridge? Like up here, shooting down on them? That's what I was doing last game, that was working a charm.
But we have to push forwards, not defend it.
Yeah, no, I know, but we'll push forward.
Where are we going? Half go down the bottom so you can push up, and then half stay at the top so you can cover the people going down.
I'm not being cannon fodder, so I'll stay up here.
I think we should just run.
Run? Child.
Game on.
Ready, run? Are we running?
Yeah.
Where are we going? Should push. Keep pushing. Blitz it, blitz it. Hit! Need a medic? Go careful, go careful. Where was he? Over that way. I couldn't see. Shot through the bushes.
Right, this is fair.
Ow! Sting now. Sting now.
Well, we've spotted, it's all spotted.
Dropping shot, mate.
Yeah!
Right, mate. There doesn't be anyone finding you.
See one. You see? We pushing forward? There's one right over there. Straight down there. Cover me. See it? That barrier there, the one that looks like a turret. So not this one closest to me, the next one down. It's behind there. He's behind that second. See where I'm shooting? He's already going there. There he is. You see him? Yeah, you see him? You see him? You probably be all right there. So you keep really low. He's at the second wooden barricade in front of me. Push forward. Can you get... Oh, look downhill! Is there someone behind that wooden barricade in front of me? Ow! Got a fucked up knee. Is there anyone there? You sure it's clear? Didn't realise there's a bit over there. Zipper. Ken, is it clear down there? Should we push round? Can you push forward? I see him behind the red house. There's one down there. Can you see him? Is he hit?
By the tree, son.
Can we make it into those buildings?
There's one there, behind the red building.
Get in. Get the fuck in now. Right, cover me, guys. Suppression, right? Ready? We'll make it to our wall.
You suppress him.
Where are we suppressing? Hang on, let me.
Right then, mate.
Go careful.
Is he hit? Is he hit?
Yeah, that's stop.
Is he friendly?
Behind the red building, inside.